Hi guys, welcome to my channel Real Life Diaries. My name is Shama. If you guys don't know already, yes, and I do videos on makeup, lifestyle and talk with Dilse kind of. This is my second channel. If you don't know, I'm just mentioning here, and the main channel is Shama's Kitchen. I will put the link in the description box. You can go and check if you haven't subscribed yet already. So yes, let's begin to the video. This video is going to about makeup only. You have already read the title. So this is the makeup look which I have created, and it is looking super glam, you can see already. So but it is too easy to do. It takes almost like 15 to 20 minutes, that's it, nothing else. As autumn fall season is going on, this is something like that brownish, reddish, or orange in color, or maybe that yellow tone goes so well in this season particularly. So I've just achieved this look which is easy to do, at the same time give you that vibes, that vibrant vibes. So let's go to the video. If you like this video, what you have to do is like, share and subscribe. And yes, if you enjoyed this video, please do let me in the comment section, and do let me know if you want to watch more content like this. And yes, one thing I just forgot to mention here, I wear this top here which is like, as I have already said, like it's about to winter, like especially in UK, fall season, autumn season is something like, already it's cold here. So you want something, which gives you that coziness, or that warm. So yeah, I'm wearing this top. It is from website called Riordan, and you can easily get it from Amazon. I got it from Amazon only, and particularly I am just loving this stuff because it's not that heavy, and it's not that light, which you can easily carry it in your this particularly this autumn and fall season. It gives you that little warmness. So yeah, do check out. I will put the link in the description box for this also. So yeah, it's lot talking here, so let's go to the video. Alright guys, so before starting the makeup, I'm making a pony. I'm tying my hair so that it will not come on my face, and it will be easy to put on the makeup. Next, I will do a small, my almost daily going skincare hair. I washed my face an hour ago. So, in between this time, oil comes on your face, so I don't want any kind of patchiness or cakiness on my face. So I'm just cleaning it, wiping it with tissues, that wipe wet tissues. And next I'm toning my face, and I'm using Pixie. All the products I'm using for skincare, they are like my go-to product these days. I cannot live without them, trust me, seriously. I'm telling you guys, because it's just suiting my face quite good. So after toning, I'm applying serum, and it's a hyaluronic acid serum from Generation. I got it from Amazon, and it worked like magic on my skin. I have this acne prone skin, and it is just working. I can see the difference basically. After that, I'm moisturizing my face, so using the polar cream, day cream basically, and it's paraben silicone free, made with natural ingredients, so it works good, no side effect, nothing. So yeah, this is my skincare routine which I'm following these days, especially in this fall season. Next, I will apply some primer. I was about to say prep. So yeah, for primer I'm using NYX pore filler, because I have said like acne and open pores problem. So that's why it will blur my pores, and foundation will go so smooth on the top. After that, I will do color correcting today, not concealer, nothing, just color correcting. So many people say, why don't you color correct your face when you have, pigmentation problem? So as you can see, around the mouth, I have some. So I'm just using this blending brush from Real Technique and applying a thin layer of, color correcting. It will just blur out all the spots, which wherever I have, and some, scars and everything. So around my eyes, as I'm not using any concealer, nothing. So yeah, this will work as a concealer also, which I'm using beneath my foundation. So yeah, I'm using it under my eyes also, and around my mouth. Next, I'm using this mousse foundation from Maybelline, and I don't set my that color corrector before, after apply sorry before applying that foundation. I don't find it good on my skin particularly, because it make cakey. So yeah, I'm directly applying foundation and buffing it, bouncing it into the skin. I'm not dragging, okay, as you can see, and using the Dem Beauty blender. Give proper time to your blending. Do not go on like how small my video is, because more you will blend your foundation or concealer, whatever makeup products you are using, it will look so natural and so nice. So for setting my foundation and that contour and everything, I'm using this one palette. It's from Urban Decay and it's my current favorite, all-time favorite, you can say. I'm using it like not all over the face, just around my mouth, under eye area, or on the lid. Okay, so where I have used that color correcting basically, and foundation. So yeah, I'm just, as you can see, I'm not all over the face, I'm using it. Okay, next, when it's done, because I don't want to make my face too dry, next I'll move to that contour shade. Okay, and I'll use it as a bronzer, and where I haven't used any powder in that area, basically particularly, I'm using this contour shade to give that structure to my face, using my finger to contour my nose a bit, though my nose is too sharp, but just to give it a like a finished structure, you can say. I'm using it. Next, moving on to the blush. So for blush, I'm using NYX, and it's very neutral color which goes very good on every outfit or any kind of makeup. So I'm just following where I have used the bronzer. On the top of that, I'm using this, and then I will use highlight on the top of my blush. It looks so natural and it doesn't go over if you follow this step, and it looks quite natural and subtle look. It gives you subtle look. Next, I will draw my brows, though I have a thick brows, sorry, so I will not go over. I'll just follow my shape and fill the sparse area so that it will look all natural. I make my eyebrows at home. So if you want to know how I, thread my eyebrows and everything, I will put the link in the description box or in the I button, so you can go and check. And I do not go parlor. I always in my videos. So yeah. So my skincare routine and everything I will put in the description box or in the I button. Next, I will do my eyes, which gonna be so easy and best part of this makeup. I'm taking this color, like peachy shade. I'm blending it above my crease line, basically, you can see. And I'm just blending it until I'll not get my desired color, and blending it a bit, in my waterline also. Then I'm taking the next color, which is a bit dark, and focusing it on to the crease area, so that will give the depth to my eyes. And when I will apply some shimmers on my lid, will go so good. Give proper time to your blending again. Next, I'm blending it with the transition shade, which I use the peachy color. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking so cool. I'm using this kind of banana shade, you can see, or maybe off-white. I'll check the name in the put in the description box which shade it is, and using it all over my lid so that I'll get that fade or ombre effect. I'm not making this eye look too tacky or too complicated. I'm trying, anyone can achieve it. Next, I'm taking this dark color again and blending it with the lightest one, so that the ombre effect will go pop up lot. Next, taking this baked highlighter, it's a shimmer. I'm just pressing it up very light handed, as you can see. I'm not particular with like in which area I have to. I'm just pressing it all over my lid almost. It will give that shimmer to your eye, and then I will blend it so that it will look all natural and seamless. Next, I'll apply eyeliner. Initially, I was thinking to make a wing eyeliner, but it was not looking nice at all. So I just cleaned that and made very small but big thick liner above my lash line, so that it looks nice, because I'm not using any falsies or anything. So yeah, as you can see, I drawn a wing, then I just removed that. Next, I'm using this black color here. I thought, like, it gives a more definition to my eyes. So I'm just connecting it with the eyeliner where it is ending. I'm just connecting it with the black eye shadow, and it is looking bomb. On my waterline, I'm not using so many color, just the basic, the dark, like the second color which I used on my crease area. I'm using it in my waterline, and I'm not using black coal pencil today. I'm using the golden color, which will help to pop up. It will open up my eyes a lot. Will look quite bold, big. So yeah, as it's autumn, I have said. So I want something, that yellowish or oranges undertone. So yeah, that's why. And next I'm taking the highlighter, highlighting my brow bone and applying some in my inner corner. Next, applying some lip liner. Obviously, I always contour my lips before applying any lip shade. It gives, because I have a thin lips, and if I directly apply lipstick, it doesn't suits a lot. So yeah, I contour my lips a lot. And then I'm using this nude shade, brownie nude. It goes so well with this. When I mix these two color, dark and light, it goes so nice and looks so natural and neutral. So yeah, next I'm applying some lip balm. In case, like, as this is autumn, my lips tend to dry a lot, so I'm applying some lip balm on the top of it, so it will look glossy and shiny. And next I'm setting my face with this setting mist from Maybelline. And yes, what I forgot to apply mascara, so which I'm doing now. It's okay, yeah, it's just a step. There is nothing like which you have to follow in the same way. You can do things when you want. So yeah, I'm applying lashes in my upper and mascara in upper and bottom lashes both. And then I'll apply highlighter because I forgot that nose and brow bone area and everything. So yes, it's done. My makeup is done. Do let me know how it is looking. For me, it's plus plus. What you think about this look, please suggest. And yes, about this outfit, I will put the link in the description box, so please do not forget to check that. And if you like this video, please make sure you like the video and share this video with your family, friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, bye.